Hello guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech. So today in this video we're gonna see the Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker. Now this speaker was recently launched and I have got it from Amazon at a price of rupees 1560. The name of the speaker, as you can see here, is Zep Soundfeast 50. So now today in this video we're gonna see the unboxing of it and we're gonna check how does it performs and what are the features available in this portable Bluetooth speaker. And I believe that as Christmas and New Year is approaching, this could be a perfect gifting device for your loved ones and for your family members. So as we start this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like my videos. So without any delay, let's start this video and let's see what is there inside the box. So guys, this device is available in Amazon and I will leave the link in the description box below. If you wanted to purchase, you can go and click to the link. Now if you see in the front, you have the speaker design which is here, and along with the Zebronics branding which you can see here, and few features which are mentioned here like the deep bass voice assistant, as it supports Siri and Google. You can place your phone on the top of the device, which acts as a holder. Also it has got a dual 57mm drive, and it supports Bluetooth version 5.0, which is the latest one, and it's really good. And it also supports USB, micro SD, aux function, as well as an FM radio. And also it says that it has got a rugged design. On the side of the box you can just see the Zebronics branding, and as we go towards the back of the device, you can see the brand ambassador, which is Hrithik Roshan, and the branding which is mentioned here. TWS function is what it is mentioned. Basically you can pair two devices and you can play the sound that you wanted to play. As we go below the device, there are certain specification which is mentioned, like the height, weight, and what are the package contents. Like there is a speaker, there is a charging cable, aux cable, and a user manual, which we'll see as we go in. And there are certain specifications about the speaker, like it is a 14-watt speaker, which is being mentioned here, which is good. Also guys, if you wanted to use a micro SD device, then it can support up to 128 GB of micro SD card, which is also a good factor. So guys, inside the box, these are the basically the things which are there. Like you can see the user manual which is placed here, the charging cable which is USB, and an auxiliary cable which is here. And this is what is all there inside. So guys, now this is the Zebronics Zep Soundfeast 50, which you can see in your screen right now. And definitely guys, the first look of this device, I can tell you that this is a very compact speaker, as you can see here, and the touch and the feel of the speaker is really good. You can see that there are two grills which are mentioned here, and these are the metallic grill with a rugged design, as you can see in the screen or in the video. Now this has gotten 14 watts of output, wherein both of them gives you 7 and 7 watts of sound output. Now in the middle you can see the functions or the function buttons. The first one, as you can see here, is the menu button. Then you have the minus button and the plus button, along with the play button. Now this play button also works as an assistant to Google, and also it works as answering your phone calls through this device. Also you have got an LED indicator which is here, and we will see as we go on and we switch on this device. So overall guys, I feel that this device looks very nice and compact, and it has got a good vibe to it. On the top you can see the silicone carrying belt, which is really cool and looks good. Now on back of the device you have the power on and off button, and also this port is for charging your device. And then we have an auxiliary cable port, along with the USB pen drive device, wherein you can put your pen drive to play any songs, and a micro SD slot wherein you can use any micro SD card to play your songs. Now below there are two pads which are mentioned here. Let's take out the sticker from it. Now these are the rubberized one, which gives you a good grip when you put it on a flat surface. Now the battery size of this device is 3000 mAh and it takes around 5 hours to do a full recharge. So let's try out some music. And so what we will do here is that we'll place our phone on top of the device or the speaker, and let's see how it actually sounds, like this way. Here are the sound samples. With this 14-watt speaker, the sound quality is really impressive. This has a good clarity on the vocals and has a decent bass. Overall, I feel the sound is really nice at this price range. So guys, if you're looking for a budget Bluetooth speaker with a range of Rs 1500, then do check out the Zebronics Zeb Soundfeast 50, because this sounds really great, if not amazing. You can use this portable device for your gifting purpose for your family members and for your loved ones. It has got a good battery life and the design looks really good. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do check out the link in the description box below if you wanna buy this device. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.